was practicing some of the video settings inside my controller. This is a dust shot, pretty much 10-15 minutes after sunset, and try to play around with settings without an ND filter. As you can see, I changed some shutter speeds and ISO settings to get the shot just right. Pretty interesting to see without even any ND filters what kind of resolution I would get and how I would bring more light into the camera. So I zoomed out a little bit, even tried hitting the automatic function to see where it would sit. Pretty cool that this little camera is so powerful in this drone. Quite amazing. And as you can see, some of the sunsets here in Florida are quite spectacular. So it's kind of nice to capture these moments from a different perspective. You can get 40, 50, I was here 65 feet up in the air, but you know, I'm kind of controlled on altitude. I have airports to my north and to the south, so in keeping with flight restrictions, I try to maintain altitudes no more than 100 feet. So I think this shot came out pretty good at 65 feet. And you can see on this one I'm trying to do a sphere shot. Don't get much out of it, especially with the lower pans, but I tried a couple of 180 shots and those came out quite spectacular. Even the vertical pan shots, quite amazing. Very, very impressed with this drone. A lot to see. Pretty excited.